Thanks for logging on to WCBI.com. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. Today, some scattered showers and storms are expected by the morning hours. We will see stronger storms then late morning through the afternoon hours then, and some remnant showers and storms are likely into the evening. Temperatures today staying generally in the 70s out there. We should see south winds between 5 and 15 miles an hour. Here's those highs today: 75 in Starkville, 73 in Eupora, Winona at 72. I do think some of the better chances for some strong to severe storms will be into the Golden Triangle here. We'll get up to 73 in Carrollton, West Alabama, 76 in Vernon, 75 in Solent, 77 in Reform and in Aliceville. Some strong storms are expected later on into the afternoon here. We'll wait a little longer. And then some severe storms likely as well into far north Mississippi. New Albany getting up to 72. We'll be at 74 in Tupelo, 73 in Houston, Bruce, and in Water Valley. Now, looking at today, there is a level 2 risk, a slight risk, a standard risk for severe weather across much of our area here. All of our Mississippi counties in that yellow area, level 2. West Alabama then seeing some level 2 and level 1 risk. For the main threats here moving forth are going to be the form of damaging winds in the areas highlighted in yellow, with perhaps the better chances the further north you go, looking on how things are panning out this morning. I do think wind and perhaps some flash flooding will be the main threats with stronger storms here. However, the tornado threat is low, but we'll have to watch it here. Can't rule out an isolated tornado somewhere in the region, and then not really expecting anything in the way of hail, though some small hail is possible in the stronger storms. Here's what Futurecast does here. We're watching a big line of showers and storms work its way in from the west this morning. As we get into the 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock hour here, that line starts to push on in, and likely by lunchtime then it's scattered showers and storms are along the Natchez Trace here. Notice how that line started to weaken the further east it gets. I think that's a very promising trend for us here. But then into the afternoon in parts of West Alabama, we start to see perhaps a little bit of redevelopment. That would be if we can get the sunshine to be a little more evident in those areas here. It just doesn't seem like we're going to have a lot of energy to work with. And then until this cold front here can clear on through, the chance for some showers and storms is expected then, though once that initial line passes through, I don't expect any more severe weather. Now, here's the unstable air here. Notice when you start to see the greens and yellows, that's some really unstable air. There's not a whole lot of that to work with this morning, so the instability is low. That's a good thing for us here, a step in the right direction, but it's not the complete answer. There's just not a lot of instability there. Where we make up for that a little bit is with the low-level winds here, a lot of wind shear moving through here. The good news with that is the further we go into the day, the more that wind shear lifts out of our area to the north. And we may still deal with it a little bit in the afternoon, but the best ingredients seem to be just off to our north here, as the instability is to the south, the wind shear then off to our north. We're kind of in that middle area. In the meantime, because of that, the timing for our severe weather today will be from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. with wind, heavy rain, and the chance for an isolated tornado. In order to stay updated throughout the day, download the WCBI mobile app. We'll send you a push alert if a warning is issued for your area, and have a plan. You can visit WCBI.com/safety for the latest information. Now, as far as rain goes, I think many of us will get the chance to see some rain today. Most spots generally between a half inch upwards to an inch. Some spots could see a little bit more, some spots a little bit less over the next 24 hours. Really, by tomorrow at this time, a lot drier and quieter out there. Sunshine on Tuesday and on Wednesday. We're in the upper 60s and low 70s. That's thanks to that cold front here pushing on through, leaving us a nice dry weather here for Tuesday, Wednesday, even into much of the day on Thursday. Though I think by Thursday afternoon and evening, clouds will start to increase as our next cold front comes on through. That seems to set us up for some more soggy weather getting into Friday and even perhaps into the weekend. A little bit of uncertainty looking forth here, but could see 1 to 2 inches before all is said and done for the next 7 days. Friday seems to be the soggiest chance here. I've got the chance for some scattered to isolated showers on Saturday and on Sunday as well. Still a bit of uncertainty there. Stay with us for the latest updates.